Hello guys, in this session I will discuss some more problems of maxima and minima. So let us start with question number 12. A wire of length 36 meters is to be cut into two pieces. One of the piece is to be made into a square and the other into a circle. What should be the length of two pieces so that the combined area of the square and circle is minimum? So let the wire be cut into two pieces, and from those two pieces a square of side x meter is made. Each side is x meter, and a circle of radius y meter is drawn. Now the wire used in making the square is equal to 4x meter plus the circumference of the circle 2 pi y, and these together equal to 36. 2 pi y is equal to 36 minus 4x, or value of y is equal to 36 minus 4x upon 2 pi. Now the area is to be minimum, so let us find the combined area of the square and the circle. So a combined area A will be equal to area of the square x square plus area of circle is pi y square. So x square plus the value of y is 36 minus 4x upon 2 pi square. So this is equal to x square, area A is equal to x square plus pi into 36 minus 4x whole square upon 4 pi square. Pi times cancelled. This is equal to x square plus 36 minus 4x whole square divided by 4 pi. Now for maximum area, for maxima or minima, dA over dx must be equal to 0. So let us differentiate this function with respect to x. So dA upon dx is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x plus differentiation of 36 minus 4x, 2 into 36 minus 4x into differentiation of 36 minus 4x is minus 4 upon 4 pi. This 4 and 4 get cancelled, so this is equal to 2x minus 2 into 36 minus 4x upon pi. So putting it equal to 0, putting this value equal to 0, on putting this value equal to 0, putting this equal to 0, we get 2x minus 2 into 36 minus 4x upon pi is equal to 0, because for putting dA over dx equal to 0. Now if we solve it further, 2x is equal to 2 into 36 minus 4x upon pi. So on multiplying, 2 pi x is equal to 72, 2 pi x is equal to here you can cancel this, 2 and 2 get cancelled. So pi x is equal to 36 minus 4x. Bringing this 4x to the other side, this implies that pi plus 4 into x is equal to 36, or x is equal to 36 upon pi plus 4. So we have got the value of x. Now let us find the second derivative. Derivative of 2x is equal to 2, minus 72 upon pi is 0, and plus 8 upon pi into x is plus 8 upon pi. So this is a positive quantity, which is a positive quantity. So add for this value of x, this derivative is positive. If we have the variable x in the derivative, then we replace it by this value of x and then check. So this is already positive here. So the area is minimum for this value of x. Area is minimum for x is equal to 36 upon pi plus 4. Now let us find the value of the y. Value of y is equal to, from here we can find the value of y. Value of y is equal to 36 minus 4x upon 2 pi. So value of y can be calculated here. Here we can calculate y is equal to 36 minus 4 into the value of x is 36 upon pi plus 4. 4 into 36 upon pi plus 4 upon 2 pi. So on taking the LCM in the numerator, 36 pi minus 36 pi plus 144 minus 144 upon 2 pi, and this pi plus 4 which we have taken in the LCM into pi plus 4. So this 144 and 144 get cancelled. 2 pi means this cancelled, 2 pi 18 times cancelled. So we get, this is 18 times cancelled. So 18 upon pi plus 4. Now we need to find the length of the two pieces. Length of first piece is 4x. So length of first piece will be equal to length of first piece is equal to 4x, means 4 into 36 upon pi plus 4, that is 144 upon pi plus 4. Length of other piece, length of is equal to 2 pi y, and the value of y we have calculated. Value of y is equal to 18 upon pi plus 4 into 18 upon pi plus 4 is equal to 36 pi upon pi plus 4. So the final answer is length of first piece is 144 upon pi plus 4, and length of the other piece which is in the form of a circle is 36 pi upon pi plus 4 meter, both in the meters. This is also in meter. So with this the question is complete. Next question, question number 13. Show that the volume of the cylinder which can be inscribed in a cone of height h and semi-vertical angle alpha is 4 upon 27 pi h cube tan square alpha. Also show that the height of the cylinder is h by 3. volume of the cylinder which can be inscribed in a cone of height h. So first let us draw a cone. And a cylinder is inscribed in it. Let the radius semi-vertical angle of the cone is alpha and the radius of cylinder is x. Height of the cone is h. V, O is the center, A, and let this point be P, Q, R and S. O and the center of the upper face is O dash. Now we want that the volume of the cylinder is 4/27 pi h cube tan square alpha. Volume of the cylinder, maximum volume of the cylinder. Now volume of cylinder V will be equal to pi x square into O dash pi r square h. Using the formula, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So we need to find the height O dash of the cylinder. Now in this triangle, from this triangle, in triangle VO dash P, we can find the height, this height of this cone, smaller cone VO dash, using cot alpha is equal to base upon perpendicular. So cot alpha is equal to the base is here VO dash upon the perpendicular in this triangle is O dash P. O dash P. So this implies that cot alpha is equal to VO dash upon O dash P. O dash P is equal to the x. O dash P is x. So the value of VO dash is equal to x cot alpha. Now we can find the height O dash. We can find the height O dash. O dash is equal to value of O dash is equal to VO minus VO dash. VO minus VO dash, which is equal to H minus X cot alpha. So putting this value here in the equation of the volume, V is equal to, this is, I must take it as small v, vertex. So VO. So capital V, this here is the small v. So capital V is equal to volume, which is the volume, is equal to pi x square into O dash. The value of O dash is H minus X cot alpha. Now cot alpha is a constant, H is also a constant. Volume of cylinder which can be inscribed in a cone of height h, means height will be treated as a constant. So on differentiating this with respect to x, dv over dx is equal to, if we differentiate it, then pi h into 2x and derivative of pi x cube cot alpha. Pi x cube means 3x square, x cube means 3x square So pi into 3x square cot alpha. Now putting this dv over dx equal to 0 for maxima or minima, for maxima or minima, we must have dv over dx equal to 0, which implies that pi h into 2x minus 3 pi x square cot alpha is equal to 0, which on further simplification, pi h into 2x is equal to 3 pi x square cot alpha. This pi and pi get cancelled here, and x time cancelled, so we get 2h is equal to 3x cot alpha. Or x is equal to 2h upon 3 cot alpha, or we can say this is equal to 2h upon 3 and 1 upon cot alpha is equal to tan alpha. So the value of x is 2h upon 3 tan alpha. Now let us find the second derivative, d square v over dx square, differentiating the volume one more time. So we get here, if we differentiate 2 pi h minus 6 pi cot alpha, 6 pi x cot alpha. Now putting the value of x is equal to 2h by 3 tan alpha, so d square v over dx square at this point, which is 2h by 3 tan alpha, 2h by 3 tan alpha is equal to 2 pi h minus 6 pi cot alpha into 2h upon 3 tan alpha. This tan alpha cot alpha one time cancelled, and we get this is equal to 2 pi h minus 3 2 ja 6 4 pi h, which is equal to minus 2 pi h, which is a negative quantity. This is a negative quantity, so the second derivative is negative here. Therefore the volume is maximum when the value of x is equal to 2h by 3 tan alpha. Now let us find the maximum volume. Maximum volume is equal to pi maximum volume is equal to pi x square into h minus x cot alpha. Here we will put x is equal to 2h by 3 tan alpha. Putting x is equal to 2h by 3 tan alpha. So if we put x is equal to 2h by 3 tan alpha, 2h by 3 tan alpha square into h minus x into x is 2h by 3 tan alpha into cot alpha, which is equal to pi into 4 upon 9 h square tan square alpha, and here h square tan square alpha into here tan alpha and cot alpha one time cancelled, h minus 2h by 3 is h upon 3. So this is equal to 4 pi upon 27, 4 pi upon 27 and h cube tan square alpha. So this is the maximum value. Now we want to find the also want to find the height of the cylinder, and height of the cylinder is h minus x cot alpha o dash, height of cylinder, height is equal to OO dash is equal to H minus X cot alpha is equal to H minus X, value of X is 2H by 3 tan alpha into cot alpha. So H minus 2H by 3, because cot alpha tan alpha is one time cancelled. So H minus 2H by 3, which is equal to H upon 3. So the height of the cylinder is equal to H upon 3 and the maximum volume of the cylinder is 4 pi upon 27 H cube tan square alpha. So with this the question is complete. Next question, question number 14. Show that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 8 upon 27 of the volume of the sphere. So first let us draw a sphere. And inside the sphere we have a cone and the volume of the cone is to be maximum. So the axis of the cone should be along the diameter and the vertex should be at the highest point, so that it gains the maximum height and the maximum volume. Now the radius of the sphere is r. So from O to the point A, that this is r, and let the this height of the from the base center be x, O dash be x. Now height of cones, let this point be P here, and this is A, and this point is B here. So the height PO dash, height of cone H is equal to PO plus OO dash, PO plus OO dash, and this PO is also equal to the radius, distance of the point P from the center. So this is equal to R plus X, and the radius of the cone small r is equal to, can be obtained by Pythagoras theorem, under root of r square minus x square. Using the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle OO dash A, r square minus x square is equal to AO dash, or the radius of the cone. Now the volume is to be volume of the largest cone, volume of this cone is to be maximum. So V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square and the height h, and the 1 up, which is equal to 1 upon 3 pi square of this is equal to r square minus x square, under root r square minus x square, square is r, into height is r plus x, which is equal to 1 upon 3 pi, and we can write r plus x into r minus x, r plus x into r minus x into r plus x, or let it be in this form. So we will solve it by product rule. So let it be in this form. For maximum or minimum volume, d, let us find the first derivative for dv over dx. dv over dx is equal to 1 upon 3 pi. First function is r square minus x square. Derivative of r plus x is 1 plus r plus x into derivative of r square minus x square is minus 2x, r plus x into minus 2x. which is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square minus x square, and here r minus 2rx and minus 2x square, which is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square, no r square here, so r square and minus 3x square and minus 2rx. On rearranging the terms, we can write this is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square minus 2rx minus 3x square. Now for maximum or maxima or minima, for maxima or minima, dv over dx must be equal to 0, which implies that 1 upon 3 pi r square minus 2rx minus 3x square must be equal to 0. Taking the negative sign common, we can write this is equal to minus 1 upon 3 pi 3x square plus 2rx minus r square is equal to 0. So, which on further simplification, 3x square plus 2rx minus r square is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in x, so we need minus 3 and plus 2, so we can write 3x square plus 3rx minus rx is minus r square is equal to 0. Taking 3x common from the first two terms, we get here x plus r minus r is common here, and x plus r is equal to 0. This gives us x plus r into 3x minus r is equal to 0. So the value of x is either equal to minus r or the value of x is equal to r upon 3. This is not possible. The value of x cannot be negative, so x is equal to r upon 3. Now let us find the second derivative, d square v over dx square, which is equal to 1 upon 3 pi derivative of r square is 0 minus 2rx is minus 2r and minus 3x square means x square is 2x, so minus 6x. Now the value is 1 by 3 pi into minus 2r minus 6x. Now let us check at x is equal to r by 3, what is the sign of the second derivative. So this is equal to 1 upon 3 d square over b over dx square. At this point, x is equal to r upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 pi minus 2r minus 6 into the value of x is r upon 3. So 3 2 times cancelled. So we get minus 4 pi r upon 3, which is a negative quantity. Negative. Therefore, volume is maximum when x is equal to r upon 3. Now let us find the maximum volume. So when x is equal to r upon 3, the volume is maximum. So maximum volume V maximum will be equal to 1 upon 3 pi, and in here we can put the value of x is equal to r upon 3 pi r square minus the square of r upon 3 is equal to r square upon 9 into r plus r upon 3. So 1 upon 3 pi r square minus r upon 9, 9r square minus r square, 8r square upon 9 into r plus r upon 3 is equal to 4r upon 3. So this is equal to 8 upon 27 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So this is the volume of the sphere. So the maximum volume is equal to 8 upon 27 into volume of sphere. So the final answer is the maximum volume of the cone is equal to 8 upon 27 times of the volume of the sphere. So with this the question is complete. Next question. Question number 15. Show that the height of the cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 2r upon root 3. So first let us draw a sphere. Cylinder is inscribed in the sphere. Center of the sphere be O. And cylinder is inscribed in the sphere. So the axis of the cylinder must be along the diameter. So as to get the maximum height. O, and let this be O dash here, and this point be A, B, C and D. And the radius of the sphere is from this point O, this distance is R, and the radius of the base of the cylinder is X. In right triangle O dash A, let us take the height of this O dash height, this height equal to X, so that the radius equal to O dash A is equal to under root of r square minus x square. Why I am doing this? Because the formula of the volume is pi into radius square into h. Now the total height O dash, and let this point be here k. So the height is O dash k. So O dash k is equal to twice of this. X by symmetry, this is also x, so twice of x. Now the volume is equal to V is equal to pi, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi into O dash A square into the height k O dash. Pi into this O dash A is equal to, we have calculated, under root of r square minus x square into this height is equal to 2x. Now the volume V is equal to pi into r, this is square here, pi into r square minus x square into 2x. On multiplying, we get pi into 2r square x minus 2x cube. Now let us find the derivative dv over dx, because volume is to be maximum, so differentiating this function with respect to x, dv upon dx is equal to pi into 2r square derivative minus 3 into 6x square. For maximum or minimum volume, maxima or minima, the condition is dv over dx must be equal to 0 for maxima or minima. Dv over dx must be equal to 0, which implies that pi into 2r square minus 6x square is equal to 0, or 2r square minus 6x square is equal to 0, or 2r square is equal to 6x square. 2 3 times cancelled. X square is equal to r square upon 3, or the value of x is equal to r upon root 3. Now let us find the second derivative of this function. D square v over dx square is equal to pi into derivative of 2r square, because the given sphere of given radius means r will be treated as a constant. So 0 minus 12x. So we get this is equal to minus 12 pi x. So at x is equal to r upon root 3, d value of d square v over dx square is equal to minus 12 pi into r upon root 3, which is a negative quantity. So the volume is maximum when x is equal to r upon root 3, but the height of cylinder is equal to 2x. So the height of the cylinder is equal to 2r upon root 3. With this, the solution is complete. Now like and subscribe my channel for new videos and press the bell icon. Thank you, students.